So in this video, I will do example 5 of demand function. So example 5 says a company sells 2,000 items per month at a price of $10 each. It is predicted that the monthly sale will increase by 250 items for each 25 cents reduction in price. Find the demand function. So what they're saying is if you decrease the price by 25 cents, that means that you'll sell more items, about 250 items more. So we got to find the demand function. So how do we find the demand function? They don't give us any kind of equation, right? They only tell us that at 2,000 items per month, it sells at a price of $10, and then they say that it will increase by 250 items by decreasing the price of 25 cents. So did you know that this is actually coordinates? And what we have to do is we're going to find the demand. So what is a demand function? It is a linear line. And what do we know about linear lines? You can write linear lines as y equals mx plus b, right? So in order to find the demand function, we need to find the m and we need to find our b, our y-intercept. Do we have any of those? No. So what we have is actually, we have like two coordinates, right? The x coordinate would be the items, and then the y coordinate would be the price. So the first piece of information, a company sells 2,000 items per month at a price of $10 each. So how would I write that as a coordinate? It would be expressed as, if our x is items and our y is price, it could be expressed as 2,000, $10. Okay. And then what is the other coordinate, right? We have to have two. In order to find m, we need two coordinates. So they say that it will increase by 250 items or 25 cents each. So if you started with 2,000 and then you increase by 250, your new item will be 22.50, right? And then instead of $10, we're decreasing it by 25 cents. So what's $10 minus 25 cents? That would be $9.75. Okay. So now we can find our m. So we're going to use the slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So y2 is 975 minus y1, which is 10. And then x2 is 2250 minus x1 is 2000. Okay, so 975 minus 10 is negative 0.25. And then 2250 minus 2000 is 250. Put that in the calculator, you get negative 0.001. So my slope is negative 0.001. Okay, so now we can find the equation by using, we just need to find our b. So how do you find our b? So you have your m. So to find your b, and we don't have our b because none of it has a y value 0. I mean, an x value 0. So what you're going to do is pick a point. It doesn't matter which one. It can be this one or this one. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to use this one. I don't know why, but you can use this point. It doesn't really matter. You'll get the same answer. So you're going to do y equals, our slope is negative 0.001x plus b. And then to find our b, you're going to plug in this point. So you're going to substitute y with 10. And then you're going to substitute x with 2000. Okay, so what's 2000 times negative 0.0? What's 2000 times negative 0.001? Let me put that in the calculator. That is exactly -2. Okay, and then to solve for b, so I'm going to add 2, I get b equals 12. Okay, so what is our demand function? So we can't use y equals, it's going to be px, because px stands for demand. It's going to be negative 0.001x, that's our slope, and our b is going to be positive 12. Okay, so that's all they're asking. They're asking for the demand function, and we are given like 2 coordinates. Okay, so that wraps it up for this example.